My BoxyCharm arrived and I wanted to share with you all what I got. So let's take a look. This little card tells me more about the products on the back, also the price. The theme for this box is Fresh Start. I really do like the card. It's really pretty. The first product is from Pharmacy that's called Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. I applied a little bit to my hand and it made it super soft. It didn't irritate it at all, so I'm excited to try this on my face. So here's what it looks like. The next product is from Dr. Brandt. This is a triple peptide eye cream. The next product is from Bali Balm. This is a sweet orange and coconut lip balm. It smells really nice. The next product is from Persona Cosmetics. It's a powder brush. I always say you can never have too many brushes. On one side it's a blush brush, on the other side it's a highlighter, and this is really pretty. I love the color. The next product is from Ciate London. It's an eyeshadow palette. Here is the palette. I love the packaging. The colors on the inside are very pretty, and I can't wait to use it. Here's everything I received for this month's base box. I really do like a lot of this stuff. I can't wait to try it. The link is down below if you guys would like to subscribe to this subscription. Not bad for $25. Let me know what you guys think of my box. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.